everyone, today we're going to be cooking again in the GoSun Fusion, and we're going to be cooking these chicken kebabs. They're a smoky barbecue flavour, and it's a lovely partially sunny, partially cloudy day today, so I think we'll get some good results. Putting the optional thermostat in here just so we can just check out the temperature. Just pop it in there. (22°C). If you're looking, it ain't cooking. Now back outside, it's at 100 degrees. It will get hotter, but there's some more clouds, so it's making it a bit difficult. But I can smell it. It smells delicious, and steam is coming out. Look at this. Oop, that is hot. I have to get a knife to check that. That looks nice and white there. That is cooked. Lovely. I've just get this ready to serve up, but obviously that looks all good. That's ready to eat. Cooked with the power of the sun. Yummy. Well, thanks for watching. This is the GoPro Fusion and cooked for free with the sun. It's really good.